Welcome to this informative video on the key components of a DevOps resume. In today's fast-paced and competitive job market, having a well-crafted DevOps resume can give you an edge over other candidates. The purpose of this video is to guide you through the essential components of a DevOps resume that will help you stand out from the crowd. Firstly, let's understand what is a DevOps resume. A DevOps resume is an important document that showcases your technical skills and experience in software development, operations, and management. It highlights your understanding of the best practices in software engineering, automation, continuous integration and delivery, CI/CD, cloud computing, and infrastructure management. A well-written DevOps resume will help hiring managers understand your potential in contributing to their organization's DevOps culture. Now let's take a look at some key components of a successful DevOps resume. 1. Professional summary. The professional summary is the first section that recruiters see when they open your resume. This section should be concise but impactful as it sets the tone for your entire application. It should include your experience level, technical skills, achievements, and career aspirations. You should aim to show how you can add value to the company while highlighting your passion for technology. 2. Technical skills. The next important component of a DevOps resume is technical skills or expertise. This section lists all the relevant programming languages and tools that you are proficient in using. Mentioning various databases such as MySQL or Oracle can also help showcase your database management skills. It is important to tailor this section according to the job description and emphasize any skills that match with what the employer is seeking in their ideal candidate. 3. Professional experience. This section provides details about previous work experiences where you have demonstrated your skills effectively in real-world situations. It should start with a brief summary of each company where you've worked, followed by bullet points outlining specific responsibilities and achievements. Make sure to give examples of automation, scalability, and cloud computing. As with the technical skills section, it is important to tailor your experience to the job requirements. 4. Education. The education section should include all degrees, certifications, or other relevant training you have received. This section can be particularly important for those who are just starting their career in DevOps or for those who are transitioning from another field. If you have completed any courses related to the position you are applying for, make sure to mention them as well. 5. Projects. Including projects that you have worked on in your previous roles can help demonstrate your practical experience and initiative as a DevOps professional. These could include details about automation workflows, migration of applications to the cloud, improved CI/CD pipelines, etc. 6. Certifications. Listing your certifications can help showcase your expertise in DevOps practices and tools such as AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Professional, Docker Certified Associate, DCA, Kubernetes Certification, etc. 7. Communication skills. Though technical skills are obviously important for a DevOps role, good communication is also essential since effective communication is key when working across multiple teams. In this section, highlight any public speaking engagements or team coordination roles that demonstrate your ability to convey complex ideas effectively both verbally and written. 8. Personal projects. In addition to professional projects on resumes, showcasing personal projects can help highlight critical thinking skills and passion for software development outside of work hours. This is particularly useful for prospective employees who do not have much relevant work experience but still want to demonstrate their skills. 9. GitHub portfolio. Creating a portfolio of personal or professional work on GitHub adds weightage to your technical skills section as well as showcasing real-world examples of what you've accomplished with code. In conclusion, a well-crafted DevOps resume should be tailored specifically to the job role and its requirements while highlighting relevant programming languages, tools, automation workflow, cloud computing experience, and communication skills. The key is to demonstrate your technical expertise along with your ability to work well in a team, problem solve, and collaborate effectively. By including all the critical components outlined in this video, you will have a better chance of landing your dream job as a DevOps professional. As a fresh graduate or someone with no prior experience in the field, writing a DevOps resume can be a daunting task. However, with the right guidance and knowledge of what employers are looking for, you can create a compelling and effective resume that will help you stand out from other candidates. Here are some tips on how to write a DevOps resume for freshers. 1. Understand the basics of DevOps. Before you start writing your resume, it's important to have a clear understanding of what DevOps is all about. DevOps is not just about using specific tools or technologies. It's a culture that promotes collaboration, communication, and automation between developers and operations teams. As a fresher, you may not have hands-on experience in all aspects of DevOps, but you should demonstrate your knowledge of the basic principles and concepts. This could include understanding of software development lifecycle, SDLC, agile methodologies, continuous integration/continuous delivery, CI/CD, infrastructure as code, IAC, cloud computing, containerization, and monitoring. 2. Highlight your skills and project. In lieu of professional experience, your skills and personal projects will be your biggest assets in landing an entry-level DevOps position. Highlight any technical skills you possess, such as programming languages, Python or Java, distributed version control systems, Git, virtualization, VMware/Zen/KVM, cloud platforms like AWS/Azure/GCP. In addition to technical skills, showcase your ability to work collaboratively through team-based projects or volunteer work related to technology. 3. Use the right format. Your resume should have an easy-to-read format that clearly showcases your skills and experiences. Start with an objective statement that highlights specific role or area of interest within DevOps, followed by an overview of technical skills. Next up should be education section, including information about degree earned along with years attended, along with any relevant certifications like AWS Solutions Architect, Associate/Certified Kubernetes Administrator. List any professional experience or internships as additional sections with descriptions of your work that demonstrate your technical proficiency and how you've contributed to teams in the past. 4. Use keywords. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, ATS, to filter through resumes, so it's important to use relevant keywords in your resume. These are often found in job postings for DevOps roles and may include terms like CI/CD, automation, cloud computing, containerization, infrastructure as code, etc. While keeping this in mind, don't overdo it. Make sure to pay attention to context and relevance when using them. 5. Customize for each application. Tailor your resume for each application you submit by highlighting the skills and experiences that match the job posting. This may mean revising your objective statement, tweaking your technical skills section by ensuring they align with a given role's requirements, emphasizing certain projects or experiences that fit within specific company culture, and adjusting formatting as needed. Final thought: writing a DevOps resume can be challenging for freshers, but with the right strategies you can create a compelling document that showcases your knowledge of basic principles, technical skills, and project experience within technology. Be sure to highlight what makes you unique while tailoring each submission to the role's specific requirements for best results. Hello and welcome to this technical instruction video on writing a DevOps resume for experienced professionals. DevOps is a crucial aspect of software development, and it has become an increasingly popular career choice for technology professionals. With that said, standing out in this highly competitive field requires an exceptional DevOps resume that displays your experience, skills, and achievements. In this video, we will guide you through the process of writing a DevOps resume that will catch the attention of potential employers. 1. Start with a strong summary. Begin your DevOps resume with a strong summary that highlights your most relevant skills and experience. Keep in mind that recruiters only spend a few seconds reviewing each resume, so make sure that your summary is concise and impactful. Your summary should include a brief background of your professional experience, your current job title and area of expertise, your core skills relevant to the DevOps field, examples of your achievements in previous roles. 2. Focus on your achievement. In the experience section of your resume, focus on highlighting your achievements rather than just listing out responsibilities. Use bullet points to showcase specific accomplishments in previous roles, such as reducing deployment time by X%, increasing system uptime by Y%, or automating Z processes. This not only demonstrates your skills but also shows how you have contributed to the success of previous organizations. 3. Showcase your technical skill. The DevOps field requires technical expertise in various tools and technologies. Therefore, it's crucial to showcase your technical skills clearly on your resume. You can create a separate section specifically for technical skills or integrate them into the experience section itself. Make sure to include all relevant technologies you have worked with, such as Jenkins, Git, Puppet, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, or Azure Cloud Services, etc., to increase visibility to recruiters who search for specific technology keywords. 4. Include relevant certification. As a DevOps professional, obtaining industry certifications demonstrates not only knowledge but also the ability to stay up to date with the latest technologies and practices. Therefore, include any relevant certifications you have achieved in your resume. Some of the most popular certifications in the DevOps field include AWS Certified DevOps Engineer, Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer Expert, Google Cloud Certified Professional Cloud DevOps Engineer, Certified Kubernetes Administrator. 5. Show your collaboration skills. DevOps is not only about technical skills but also about collaboration and communication between teams. Therefore, it's important to showcase your soft skills such as communication, teamwork, and leadership on your resume. Include examples of how you have collaborated with other teams to achieve common goals, managed teams, or mentored other team members. 6. Provide links to your portfolio. Adding links to your professional website or GitHub profile can add depth and context to your resume. This will allow recruiters to see samples of your work and a better understanding of what you've done in previous roles. 7. Proofread your resume. Finally, proofread your resume multiple times before submitting it. A single typo or grammatical error can decrease your chances of landing an interview. Make sure that all information is accurate and consistent throughout the document. Also, use a clear font style and size for easy readability. With this information at hand, go ahead and create an impressive DevOps resume for experienced professionals today. As the demand for DevOps professionals continues to increase, it is essential to have a well-crafted resume that stands out from the competition. However, many individuals make mistakes when writing their DevOps resumes, which can hinder their chances of landing their dream job. In this video, we will discuss some common mistakes people make when writing their DevOps resumes and provide tips on how to avoid them to produce a resume that speaks volumes about your skills. Mistake number 1. Lack of focus. One common mistake people make when writing their DevOps resume is not ensuring that it is focused on the job they are applying for. Many people tend to use a generic resume for all job applications. It is essential to tailor your resume for each job application by highlighting relevant skills and achievements specific to the role. Tip: read through the job description and identify key skills required for the role. Use these keywords in your resume's summary statement and throughout your work experience descriptions. Mistake number 2. Not demonstrating expertise. Another mistake people make when creating a DevOps resume is not demonstrating their expertise in various tools, technologies, and methodologies used in DevOps. Tip: list out all relevant tools and technologies you have worked with under appropriate headings such as tools or technologies. Make sure you highlight your experience with popular DevOps tools such as Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, etc. Mistake number 3. Not showing results-oriented achievements. Many individuals fail to show how their work has impacted previous organizations they have worked with. A great way to stand out from others is by including results-oriented achievements in your resume. Tip: in each work experience description, include quantifiable achievements where possible. Examples could be increasing deployment frequency or reducing release time by a certain percentage. Mistake number 4. Lack of clarity. Another common pitfall is using ambiguous language or industry jargon that may not be understood by recruiters or hiring managers who are not from a technical background. Tip: use clear and concise language that can be easily understood by anyone. Avoid using unnecessary abbreviations or technical jargon. Mistake number 5. Poor formatting. Lastly, poor formatting can make your resume difficult to read and understand, leading to it being rejected. Recruiters and hiring managers may not have the time to go through all the details, so it's essential to ensure that your resume is organized, easy to scan, and visually appealing. Tip: use clear headings, bullet points, and proper margins. Ensure that your resume is consistent in terms of formatting throughout. Use a professional font such as Arial or Times New Roman.